Sum total of post office district BTAD Assam do swear in the name of God that I will bear and solemnly affirm the faith and allegiance to the Constitution of BSU and believe in the ideologies, objectives, and the principles of the Union itself and have become a college unit member with and give my strong commitment to abide by the rules and regulations and shall never disclose the secrecies of the Union